guys, well, I got paid from YouTube, and on the way home from school there is a Tesco a couple of 100 metres away, and I might have brought something. Yep, I brought myself a Henry Compact. So in Tesco at the moment these are £99. I don't know if it's just my Tesco, but these were £99 down from 125, so I've got a bargain. So open it up. That's it. Right, before, well, there was two in the shop. There was another one, and then this one. This one is the 18th week of, no, the 8th week of 2018. The other one was the 50th week of 2017. I bought this one because it's newer. And I wanted the 2018 one, so I've got the 2017 already. So I have used one of these already. That was the Adams one that I used, and I also used the Hetty Compact. So let's open this up, and it smells just like a Henry, a brand new one. Right, so first off we have the instruction manual with the Henry Hetty 160. I'll go through this in a bit with you. So we've got the instruction manual. We've got the small tools, which I won't open because I've already got a set open. We've got a piece of cardboard, which I'll just put down here. So then we have the new smaller floor saw, which is good, we don't have to cut. So we have the new smaller one, which is, well, quite cool. I do like these are better than the bigger full size one. I'll show you how big these are compared to a full size one. So we've got that. We've got the energy label, the new one. So it's a C for emissions, 72 decibels, C for hard floor pickup, and D for carpet pickup, and it is a A, not an AA, not an A+++. So there we go. Then we have the hose, which is quite nice and flexible. The first generation of these hoses wasn't that flexible, but they've made it quite flexible now. This probably have a black suction grip, and it does. So we have the black Lure Improved suction grip. I've got the red one already. And then I've got the two ones which have some. Now Adam said about his one having this, it's got some kind of waxy stuff on. That's probably protection wax for it, but I'm not too sure. So one, they feel nice. And take the lid off the thing. We've got, how many bags we've got spare? We've got 2 bags spare. You used to get 3. And then we'll just remove the bag from the top and turn it away, turn it around, and we've got a Henry himself. So let me just put all this packaging back into his box. So, over there. So here's the Henry 160. It's got the triangular plug on there. Yeah, very small. And we've got the tool storage on the back. I think these have a small cable, and there's a bit of plastic thing. It's got a nice scratch on him already, right across there, but we'll leave that. There's nothing to worry about. And there's kind of a mark on the top there. Yeah, it's alright. So the clips are so much different. They've got a little ridge on them, and they're tiny. So let's just take these off. Take the lid off. It's the underside of the motor. It's got a shiny area. The other one's a dull kind of matte finish, and these are very small. So it's almost like a toy one, if you know what I mean. And then we've got the actual tiddly little filter inside, and then we've got the the bag, which I'll just take out for you now. Get the bag here. Very strong pepper flow. A bit dirt on there, but no, it's fine. And then we've got the tank inside. So the face on the front is smaller, I think. I'm not too sure, but I'm not gonna take it off. Can't be bothered. My arms are still like jelly. So there we go. So let's just put the bag back in, and we'll show it in action, I suppose. Right, so actually first, before we show it in action, I'll get something we can compare it with, so that we can show you how small it is. So one sec, it's just up here. Here's a machine you'll be seeing on the channel very soon. It's quite battered. There we go. That's how big the Henry Henry 200 is compared to the 160. This one's quite battered up, as you can see. It's not in the best condition. It's looking at this. I thought it's in nice condition, but looking at that compared to this, this is mashed completely. That only cost me a tenner off eBay, and it's blown as well. But I can use it as a vacuum. I can modify and stuff. I can put PTO sockets and stuff in that. But yeah. So here's everything the Henry 200 comes with. Comes with the 3-piece tube set, the wheeled floor tool, instruction manual, energy label, hose, and small tools, and 2 spare bags, which I'll probably keep in the box actually. I'll keep all this in the box, so if I ever sell it, it's got all the original stuff with it. But the bag inside, I can just literally replace that with another one, so it's the original. Push that over there. So we'll screw the hose on, like so. Wants to go on. There we go. Put the tubes together. Ooh, there's a big scuff up the tube, but that doesn't matter. The tubes do feel, well, the rings at the top feel cheapened. We'll put all this in the box as well, actually. There we go. And then we'll put the floor tool onto the end, the tube there. And it all builds up like so. And we careful when I put the cuff on actually. I don't want to scrape it up. So yeah, I do like it very much. And that goes in there obviously like that. And then I've just got some random tools here. Random Henry tools, they just go on the back there. I'll just use these, so it's just easier. No point opening about 10 billion sets of tools just for one machine. So put the box right over here. Alright, pull out the cable. Sounds very much different. I don't know if the cable's shorter or it's still 10 metres. I'm assuming it's, no, it looks about the same length, but I'll have to check. They normally are, I reckon it's about probably 8 to 10 metres. I know normally they're 10 metres, so you know. Right, so let's just plug it in over here. There we go, plugged in. Let's just box it away. The lights on the top, and we'll test him out, shall we? Here we go. So there we go. He is quite good. Stock the wand on the back of the cleaner. There we go, like so. So I'm going to plug in quick. Yeah, I just want it. I'll get the other floor to out the cover bottom over it as well. This one's actually off my Lewis, so it's got the metal base on it. So here's the Lewis one, and here's the 161, and you can see it is way smaller. Well, they're not much in width, but it is quite small. And this part doesn't pivot, it's just a fixed thing. But I think it's still a Weatherwork nozzle. So I'll put that up there. And we'll put, well, rewind the cable in. Like so. There we go. Nice and smooth. And there we go. There was the unboxing for the Henry 160 vacuum cleaner. I hope you enjoyed. And if you have, please like and subscribe. And of course, bye for now.